In the world of home appliances, this Chefman Fry Guy deep fryer emerges as a compact yet powerful kitchen tool designed to deliver restaurant-quality fried foods right on your countertop. This review delves into the features, benefits, and overall performance of the Chefman Fry Guy, providing you with an in-depth look at why this mini fryer could be the perfect addition to your kitchen. Whether you're a fan of crispy chicken, golden French fries, or savory fried veggies, the Chefman Fry Guy promises to meet your frying needs with ease and efficiency. Imagine creating your favorite deep-fried delights without leaving your home. The Chefman Fry Guy deep fryer makes this possible, offering a mini yet mighty solution for all your frying needs. With its compact design and powerful heating element, this fryer is perfect for anyone who loves fried food but doesn't want to deal with the bulk and hassle of traditional deep fryers. Read on to find out how the Chefman Fry Guy can transform your home cooking experience. The Chefman Fry Guy is designed to fit seamlessly into any kitchen, no matter how small. Its mini footprint ensures it won't take up much counter space, making it an ideal choice for apartments, dorm rooms, or small kitchens. Despite its compact size, the Fry Guy boasts a 1.6 quart capacity, allowing you to prepare generous portions of your favorite fried foods. Equipped with a powerful 1,000-watt heating element, the Chefman Fry Guy heats up quickly and maintains consistent temperatures up to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. This ensures your food is cooked evenly and reaches the perfect level of crispiness every time. Whether you're frying up chicken wings, French fries, or tempura vegetables, this fryer delivers delicious results with minimal effort. One of the standout features of the Chefman Fry Guy is its user-friendly design. The adjustable temperature control allows you to set the perfect heat level for different types of food, ensuring optimal frying results. The transparent viewing window on the lid lets you monitor the cooking process without having to open the fryer, reducing the risk of oil splatters and burns. The restaurant-style fry basket is another great feature, providing a convenient way to lower and lift your food from the hot oil. The basket's handle stays cool to the touch, making it safe and easy to use. Additionally, the bright power indicator light lets you know when the fryer is ready for use, taking the guesswork out of frying. Cleaning up after frying can often be a daunting task, but the Chefman Fry Guy simplifies this process. The fryer features a sleek stainless steel finish that wipes down easily with a damp cloth. The removable lid and built-in filter help contain oil splatters and odors, making your kitchen cleanup much more manageable. For added convenience, the fryer parts are dishwasher safe. This includes the fry basket and lid, allowing you to simply place them in the dishwasher after use. The detachable magnetic cord provides an extra layer of safety and makes storage a breeze, ensuring your fryer is always ready for its next use. Safety is a top priority with the Chefman Fry Guy. The fryer is UL approved and features advanced safety technology for long-lasting durability. The Cool Touch exterior prevents accidental burns, while the non-slip feet keep the fryer stable on your countertop during use. The detachable magnetic cord ensures the fryer can be quickly and safely unplugged if necessary. Chefman also offers a 1-year warranty on the Fry Guy, providing peace of mind with your purchase. This warranty ensures you can enjoy your fryer worry-free, knowing that any potential issues will be promptly addressed by Chefman's customer support team. Pros and cons. Pros: compact and space-saving design, powerful 1,000-watt heating element for fast and consistent frying, adjustable temperature control for precise cooking, transparent viewing window for monitoring the cooking process, easy to clean with dishwasher-safe parts, safety features including Cool Touch exterior and detachable magnetic cord, 1-year warranty for added peace of mind. Cons: 1.6 quart capacity may be limiting for larger families or gatherings, suitable for small batch frying only. Final verdict: a must-have for frying enthusiasts. The Chefman Fry Guy deep fryer is an excellent choice for anyone looking to enjoy deep-fried foods at home without the hassle of a large, cumbersome fryer. Its compact size, powerful performance, and user-friendly features make it a standout option for small kitchens, apartments, and dorm rooms. Whether you're craving crispy chicken wings, golden French fries, or perfectly fried vegetables, the Chefman Fry Guy delivers delicious results with minimal effort. If you enjoyed this review, be sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.